no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So how from the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it won't matter. Leaving doesn't take you apart anymore.
Star 103, more variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today with Adele, who might already be married.
We don't know, but the rumor is that, yeah.
I just went and looked at her Instagram, and there is clearly, she's posing with something, but in the background is a sign that says The Pauls.
Which
and
is
that's
the last name of her boyfriend.
her man's last name. So I don't know. Anyway.
Good for her.
21, yeah, it's awesome if it's true. It's Marcus and Corey. We're going to talk about something I'm not even certain Corey wants to talk about right now because it's anxietus. It is filling her with anxiety.
Oh, totally.
And that's how hot it's going to be today.
I didn't realize, so when I went to Oregon this weekend, the heat had broken there, like
Right.
finally, because
Right.
it was like 99. And my husband was telling me, because my husband still lives in Oregon, and then I thought, oh, okay, well, we're going to have a hot weekend here, and it'll break by the time I get back. And I got back yesterday.
Carl, the fog did not roll in.
No! It was miserable, and now you're telling me it's going to be hotter today?
So, okay, everybody needs to be acutely aware of the fact that it's going to be about 115 in Concord today.
Ugh.
And Livermore, and like inland valleys, y'all already know. Hopefully you're bracing for it. They are asking people to keep your thermostat above 78 because... I know.
Sorry.
Not only are we going to have record-breaking heat, but the power grid is going to be tested today.
I'm sure.
And if we don't do this right, y'alls, they're going to have rolling blackouts.
Ugh.
And that means PG&E is going to go through and cut everybody's power for a couple hours at a time. Do we really want that in our lives?
No!
This is a little bit of a PSA, and I realize I'm coming to you from a place of no authority because I live on the coast side where it's going to be 75, so don't hate me. However, and PG&E is saying they could cut power with very little notice.
We were looking at houses in Pacifica, and people are constantly telling me that, oh, it's so foggy, the sun's never out, and I'm like, I don't care.
Yeah.
These houses don't have AC, and I'm a vampire, so it sounds perfect to me.
No, Pacifica sounds great. Don't come to Half Moon Bay. It's terrible there. Don't do that.
I feeling you don't want anyone else to go there.
Dude, I don't know why we did this, although there was a pool there. We went to a kids' pool party in Alamo, which if you know the area, that's like Danville, Tri-Valley. It was 103.
Ugh.
And even though there was a pool, it felt like I was sitting in an oven.
Ugh.
It was just... And that was about an hour in my house, and then trying to get back to Half Moon Bay in the middle of the afternoon on a Saturday. The reason I had to come back was my dad's caregiver called in sick.
Okay.
Couldn't make it, so I had to come back. And driving into downtown Half Moon Bay was like a war zone.
Oh, man.
I had to load, and then this is where my husband fail comes in. I took my wife's keys home with me, caught a ride with some friends, so she's stuck in Alamo.
She's got
the keys.
You have the keys.
So I had to wake up yesterday morning at 6:30, get the old man up, because my dad lives with us, I couldn't leave him alone.
Sure.
Pile him into the car at 7 sneezed, gave her a quick hug, came back. My girls couldn't even come home because traffic was so bad.
Oh, that's terrible.
They came home last night about 8:30 after everybody cleared out.
Oh, that's terrible.
Let us know how your weekend was. I do have a post up on the Marcus and Corey Facebook page. Like, I want to see pictures of some fun stuff. Let us know what the weather was like, and then be ready for ridiculous conditions today. I googled cooling centers that serve Chardonnay.
Are there any?
A bunch of bars came up. I don't know if they're sanctioned or not, but I do have a full list on the Marcus and Corey blog page. So 1013.com, click Marcus and Corey. 724. We'll check what's trending here in a little bit.
So you mentioned earlier that Adele might be married. We
Yeah.
also have a story about The Weeknd. He did something great at his concert.
Corey's still mad at him.
I don't think this was deserved at all.
I'll tell you about it at 7:50. Hang on.
I want to be real.
Disney's Pinocchio, streaming this Thursday on Disney Plus.
Get ready, San Francisco. From only $2.69 in a season of You is fast approaching. This year, with an Icon Pass in hand, adventure lives large wherever you plan to go. Unlock 4 California icons, 50 destinations worldwide, and tune in this season to explore 3 new additions, including Sun Valley in Idaho, Snow Utah, and Chamonix-Mont Blanc Valley in France. Claim your season of fun at iconpass.com and get ready to do you.
We all know someone who's all work and no chill. Trust me, that used to be me. Full 4, which allows me to do more things at once. Much better. Now I calls from my phone and use it to take notes at the same time.
Wait, are you like...
Or check my shopping list while ordering more scented candles and face masks. Foldable, expansive screen. Don't take your to-do list one line at a time. Multitask so you can relax. 4 at Samsung.com today.
Of course I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean top messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
And when Flexible got it, I use Magic Eraser Sheets. They're thin and flexible erasers, perfect for everyday messes, like gunk on my counters and sinks. They really are magical.
Are in. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and Sheets make cleaning look easy.
T-Mobile believes customers deserve to get more without paying more. Everything from entertainment benefits like Netflix on Us, to travel benefits, to scam shield protection, all with taxes and fees included. So the price you see is the price you pay. You get over $225 in value every month in benefits with our Max Family plan.
That's like paying for nosebleed seats, getting to sit in the front row.
That's right. At T-Mobile, your family gets over $225 worth of value with our Max plan each and every month. Plus, with our price lock guarantee, we won't raise your price for talk, text, and data ever.
That's like paying for a cab.
And getting a stretch limo.
At T-Mobile, you get value beyond the expected.
Qualifying service required. Value based on included monthly benefits. Sales tax and regulatory fees included in Max's monthly price. Price lock guarantees great price of talk, text, and data for new accounts with qualifying service. Exclusions apply. CT.
At Whole Foods Market, get animal welfare certified beef top sirloin steak for $7.99 a pound through September 6th, while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop in-store or online. Terms apply. Moments like seeing my son's team cheer him on mean a lot to me. Diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer, or MBC, which is breast cancer that has spread to other parts of the body, they mean even more. I take Ibrance, palbociclib. Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase for postmenopausal women or for men with HR-positive, HER2-negative MBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
If you want your dental visit to feel like this, Trust Densify actively rebuilds tooth density to extend the life of teeth by remineralizing enamel.
everything for farm or stand or pop-up shop, it really all started when we discovered raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with quick accept, which lets us take cards anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we can safely deposit. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Margin services provided by Payment Tech LLC. Inc. Subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
In order for small businesses to thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding ways to do more with less. That's never been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for companies across the country. When you call in now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 a month for 12 months. $39 a month, with no annual contract and a money-back guarantee. All on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with the company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. New Comcast Business 50 megabits per second internet customers only. Requires EcoBill and autopay. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, regular rates apply.
Are you looking for a rewarding new career? Join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles nationwide. Serve your community with pride and receive benefits including competitive pay and opportunities for advancement. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at USPS.com/careers.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? Or Mama Hobo, the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so. Or you know, with the Granch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
This November, Californians will have a choice between two initiatives on sports betting. What's at stake? We have a chance to tax and regulate sports betting to fund permanent solutions to our homelessness crisis. That's Prop 27. Prop 27 generates hundreds of millions every year to get people off the streets and into housing. On the other hand, dying to solve homelessness or treat addiction. Prop 27 has strong protections to prevent minors from betting and strictly prohibits betting on youth sports. Prop 26, no protections for minors. Prop 27 including disadvantaged tribes. Prop 26, a money grab for the wealthiest casino tribes, leaving nothing for disadvantaged tribes. The differences are important, and the choice is clear. On 27. Ad paid for by Yes on 27, Californians for Solutions to Homelessness and Mental Health Support, a coalition of housing and mental health experts, concerned taxpayers and digital sports, entertainment, and gaming companies. Committee major funding from Penn Interactive Ventures.
iHeartRadio Fiesta Latina is brought to you by the Juvederm Collection. Visit Juvederm.com for product information.
Tuesday morning, sunny and clear. More of the same later in the day. Heat advisory continues, so stay hydrated. Temperatures low 80s to low 100s.
This report is sponsored by Staples. Everything you need for school at prices that won't hold you back. Right now, Crayola 24-count crayons, Staples comp books, and 2-pocket polyfolders are just 50 cents each. Offer ends 9/10, limit 30. This year, go forward to school with Staples, the working and learning store.
This traffic report brought to you by Caltrans. This report is sponsored by Dell Technologies.
The Dell Technologies Labor Day event is here. Start a season of productivity with up to 48% off Vostro laptops with 12th gen Intel